Hey everyone! Welcome back to another episode of Speak Better English. I'm Mia, and we're so happy you've joined us today. Whether you're learning English for your career, your education, your travels, or simply because you enjoy learning something new, today's episode is all about how English can help you build a brighter future.
And I'm Leo. Today's topic is success through English. Many people think English is just another school subject that they have to study. But English is much more than grammar rules and vocabulary lists. It's a life skill that can create opportunities, build confidence, and connect you with people all over the world.
In today's conversation, we'll explore how English can become one of the most valuable investments you ever make in yourself. We'll also share practical habits that successful English learners follow every day.
So grab your favorite drink, relax, and let's begin.
Leo, let me ask you something. What does success mean to you?
That's a great question. For me, success isn't only about money or a famous job. It's about becoming the best version of yourself and continuing to grow every day.
I love that answer. Success looks different for everyone. For one person, it might mean getting their dream job. For someone else, it could mean studying abroad, starting a business, traveling the world, or supporting their family.
Whatever your dream is, English can help bring you closer to it.
Why do you think English has become such an important skill today?
Because it's one of the most widely used languages in the world. International companies use English every day. Many universities teach courses in English. Millions of books, podcasts, research papers, and online courses are available in English.
When you improve your English, you don't just learn a language. You gain access to information, ideas, and opportunities that were previously out of reach.
You're not only expanding your vocabulary, you're expanding your world.
Let's start with one of the biggest advantages, career opportunities. How does English help someone build a better career?
Many employers look for people who can communicate confidently in English, especially international companies. Imagine two people applying for the same position. Both have similar qualifications, but one of them speaks English confidently during the interview. Who has the advantage?
In many situations, it will be the person who communicates more effectively. Strong communication creates strong opportunities.
That's why learning English is one of the smartest long-term investments you can make.
Learning English doesn't only change your career, it changes your confidence too. I still remember my first English conversation. I was nervous, I worried about making mistakes.
I felt exactly the same. But something interesting happened. Every conversation became a little easier than the last one.
That's how confidence grows, not by waiting, but by practicing. Every sentence you speak helps you believe in yourself a little more.
One of my favorite benefits of learning English is having unlimited access to knowledge. Think about everything available in English. Business books, science documentaries, technology podcasts, university lectures, self-improvement courses, interviews with successful people.
When you understand English, you can learn directly from experts all around the world. Instead of waiting for translations, you can learn immediately. That's an incredible advantage.
English also connects people. Have you ever made a friend from another country?
English also connects people. Have you ever made a friend from another country?
Yes, and it completely changed my perspective. We shared different traditions, cultures, and experiences. Even though we grew up in different countries, English helped us understand each other.
That's one of the most beautiful things about language. It helps us discover that people have more in common than we sometimes think.
Let's talk about the habits that create success. The first habit is simple. Practice every day.
You don't need to study for 5 hours. Even 20 or 30 focused minutes can make a huge difference. Listen to an English podcast. Read 1 page of a book. Learn 5 useful words. Practice speaking for a few minutes.
Small actions repeated consistently produce amazing results.
Many learners stop speaking because they're afraid of making mistakes.
But mistakes are not your enemy. They're your teacher. Every fluent English speaker has made thousands of mistakes. The difference is that they didn't give up.
Every mistake teaches you something you didn't know before. So instead of fearing mistakes, learn from them.
Success isn't only about knowing English. It's about communicating clearly. Learn to listen carefully. Ask thoughtful questions. Give complete answers. Speak confidently. And always be respectful.
People remember how you make them feel. Good communication builds trust, and trust creates opportunities.
One quality that successful people share is curiosity. They ask questions, read books, watch educational videos, listen to experts, and continue learning throughout their lives.
English makes lifelong learning much easier because so much valuable information is available in English.
Mia, if someone asked you, why are you learning English? How would you answer?
I'd say I'm learning English because I want to communicate with people from around the world, improve my career opportunities, and continue learning every day. What about you?
I'd say I'm learning English because it gives me confidence, helps me grow professionally, and allows me to learn from people all over the world.
Those are wonderful reasons. And notice something important. Neither answer focused only on passing an exam. Both answers focused on building a better future.
Before we finish, let's avoid a few habits that slow progress. Waiting for the perfect time to begin. Comparing yourself with other learners. Being afraid to speak. Giving up after making mistakes. Learning English without actually using it.
Progress comes from action, not perfection.
Here's your challenge for today. Spend 30 minutes investing in yourself. Listen to 10 minutes of English. Read for 10 minutes. Speak for 10 minutes. Then write 1 sentence about something new you learned today.
Repeat this routine every day for the next month. Your future self will thank you.
Let's quickly review today's lesson. English creates opportunities. It builds confidence. It improves your career. It connects you with people around the world. It gives you access to unlimited knowledge. Success comes from daily practice. Don't fear mistakes. Develop strong communication skills. Stay curious and never stop learning. And never stop learning.
Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It's built one small step at a time. Every word you learn is progress. Every conversation makes you stronger. Every lesson brings you closer to your dreams. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start with the time you have today. Improve just a little every day. Because 1 year from now, you'll be amazed by how far you've come.
Before we finish, we'd love to hear from you. What does success mean to you? And how is learning English helping you reach your goals? Share your answer in the comments below. We'd love to read your story.
Thank you so much for learning with us today. Keep listening, keep speaking, keep learning, keep growing.
And remember, success doesn't begin with luck. It begins with learning, practicing, and believing in yourself.
We'll see you in the next episode of Speak Better English. Take care, everyone.
Bye, everyone, and happy learning!